clean a burette by adding a few drops of distilled water into the burette. You let a few drops of the water go through the valve of the burette by opening it, then you close it, making the burette contain the rest of the distilled water. Then you point down the tip of the burette into the sink and twist it so that the water will clean all sides of the burette. After you've done this with distilled water, you repeat the step with the substance you'll be adding to the burette so as to avoid contamination.
Okay, so we're performing a titration, and what we do first is take an initial reading of the volume, which here we have 32.2, and then after we take the initial reading, we will slowly release some of the liquid. Down here, cameraman. Down here at the thing. Okay, so what you do is, so you see some pink. Then you put it against a piece of white paper, and you take the final volume, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7.2. We have the initial volume, which was 31.2, and the final, which was 7.9. 7.9. It's 7.2. So the final volume of 7.2.
Alright, here we go.
Sound it out for me.
40. No, we're doing our...
40 is the initial volume?
Are you going to finish?
40 is the initial volume.
Yeah.
What are you going to do?
Now I'm going to titrate it.
If you don't finish, you will fail.
I'm already failing. Gotta clean the sides off.
Volume so that I know what our concentration is.
If you can notice here, our initial volume is 26 milliliters. So you got to get up the rate. You got to be able to see it.
Yeah, maybe.
26 milliliters here. Okay. And now I'm going to begin my titration. If you notice the pink color in the flask, we're trying to get the pink color to remain because that's the titration.
Okay, so wait, like, which is the protein, which is the fat?
With my math, P minus
Okay, so wait, this is the phosphate. This was your
In this,
initial.
we have our titration. So our final volume.
I mean, that's the entire
Our final volume is 0 milliliters. Now I must record the initial and final volume. The initial volume of the second trial is
Those are his fingers.
26 milliliters, and then the final volume of the second trial is 0 milliliters.